What's going on, good people? I go by the name of I Can Be Greedy, and welcome to the channel. Well, for today's topic of the video, I'm going to show you how to prepare your soil for planting. Well, many people like to use the method of composting. Well, my method is consistent of three components. Very easy and very simple, and you're going to love it. I don't want to waste much of your time. Your support is much appreciated on my channel. Let's get started. Soil fertility refers to the ability of soil to sustain agricultural plant growth. For example, to provide plant habitat and result in sustained and consistent yields of high quality. Soil fertility refers to the soil's ability to supply plant or crop nutrients. Okay, so here's what we're going to do. We're going to add a mixture of eucalyptus leaves, grass and banana peels. From eucalyptus leaves, what we can expect to receive is nitrogen, and from banana peels, obviously calcium, and grass is a substitute for cow dung. So all these mixtures is for my container gardening. So let's mix up. Okay, so here's what's going on. It is necessary to turn and loosen the soil because only loose soil allows the roots to penetrate freely and deeper into the soil. When soils are compacted, they can be improved by increasing organic matter content. This can be done over several years by applying bulky organic materials such as green compost or farmyard manure. As you're adding organic matter to your soil, earthworms will tend to develop over time because they also aid in the health of your soil and the health of your plants. Okay, so here's what's going on. Now that we have mixed our components together, we do not have to wait for the organic matter to decay. All we have to do is to mix it properly and add it to the container, and then we can start planting. Okay, so as I'm putting all this soil inside this container, what I want to make sure is not to block all the root nodes or the soil pores within the soil, because it will be tough for the roots to penetrate and use the soil to irrigate. So what I'm going to do right now is to plant my bean plant inside of this container that we just prepared right now. Whenever you plant any fruits or vegetables, make sure to apply proper spacing in between them, as applying proper spacing helps the roots. Growing beans or legumes improves the soil quality through their beneficial impact through chemical and physical conditions. So we have many different types of beans, but for this topic of this video I have chosen this one specifically, as I believe that they grow throughout springtime. So right now it's October, it's nearly the end of the year, so probably by December I am expecting a good harvest. Now I'm going to finish up planting my beans and make sure that I irrigate on them to make sure that I cover all the soil pores so that my beans can survive through the night. So it is important to put a stick, as it is for trailing, to make sure that my beans are growing upright and are facing the direction of the sun. Now, watering your plants is compulsory, because if you do not water your plants after you have planted them, they are going to lose the ability to revive and they are going to dry out. Now that we have reached the end of this video, please leave a like and subscribe on my YouTube channel. Your support is much appreciated. Well, thank you very much for watching this video up to this far. I hope you're enjoying the content. I will prepare many content like this. Support is much appreciated. See you in a new video.